So this is a 3.5 Z. It's an 8-seater and it's got various Toms Racing parts on it. Toms Racing is quite a famous racer, and they do various driver racing courses and things. Is that coming out with the sun? I'm not sure. It says Toms. There is a couple of scratches down underneath on the lower part of the bumper, and we can fix that if you like for a fee. These wheels, they're worth about 150,000 yen back in the day. It's got about 520,000 yen, I think we calculated, of various parts. So a lot of extra goodies. And it's got the Toms Racing rear spoiler on it as well. There's a back camera up there. You may have noticed or may not have. Now there's a couple of minor scratches on plastics. So there's a very tiny scratch there and some on the front bumper. However, the body itself is pristine. Couple of minor scratches here on the lens. They're not cracks, and a few of the wheels have very minor scratches. I'll just try and get the camera up so you can see that roof, maybe. Oh, that was the wrong door. So we do have some still photos of all of these seats. We've taken the seat covers off. We've given the car a full clean, steam clean, shampoo, whatever you call it. So yeah, it's pretty clean. If you have a look at these rails, these are really nice on this car. A lot of the Vellfires get scratched, particularly around here. We do have some mats actually that are pretty good that we can order or arrange. And likewise in the back, everything's in beautiful condition. A bit hard to see, but we've got still photos of all this as well. Service book, owner's manual. I think I might have said 2 sets of keys, but if I didn't, there's 2 sets of keys as well. Let's go around the other side. Yeah, so pretty nice. Being an 8-seater, you could fold all those seats down, sort of turn it into a camping car. As I said, we did have cleaned all these carpets. We're on a little bit of a dirty ground today, but we've got the car mats in. You've got cruise control, 93,662 kilometres. And I'll just quickly wind down all the windows so you can see they all work. We've got power windows. A cigarette lighter that's never been used. And various compartments there. Now, a lot of these have a steering wheel rattle, so I'll just wiggle that so you can see that it doesn't rattle around, and we'll get out and we'll have a look at the suspension on this. So this is the adjustable TN suspension. This could go higher or it could go lower depending on what you wanted to do. We'd probably better to show these underbody with some still shots. So there you have it. You can see it's a beautiful car. 2009 Toyota Vellfire 8-seater 3.5Z. with some very nice bits on it from Toms Racing. Thanks for watching.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.